Hi guys, Annette Young here, founder of Altrain Medical and Dental Assisting Academy. Hey, I'd like to share with you my story in the history of Altrain Dental. First of all, I'd like to tell you I've been a dental assistant for many years. Back in 1984, I decided to go to school to be a dental assistant. Reason being is I had a bad mouth, bad teeth. Came from a poor family and decided if I go to school to be a dental assistant, maybe I'd get my teeth worked on at no cost. Figuring if I didn't like being a dental assistant, at least I've accomplished that. Truth is I loved it. But the program that I went to, I thought I was getting a good education, very reputable school. And once I got out of school, I realized I wasn't properly trained. I was book taught. I feel like I had very little hands-on experience. I was afraid to go into people's mouths. I was making all sorts of mistakes, and the reason that I succeeded was just because of the patience of many doctors who saw something in me to retrain me. Did many things in my career. I did back office, front office. I went into office management. I went into the sales end of dentistry. Also worked for an insurance company filing dental claims. That's the beauty of our program and becoming a dental assistant is you can veer off in all different avenues. So I moved to the Valley in 2002, started applying for dental assisting jobs, back office, front office, management, and realized there was going to be a pay cut because I worked so many years as a dental assistant in Minneapolis that I was basically going to have to start over here. So I thought if I'm going to do that, I want to tap into an area that I haven't tapped into in dentistry, and that was to become a dental assistant instructor. Local college hired me, and I worked for them for about 5 years, realizing the students were getting the same type of training that I did. Lots of book teaching, lots of homework and testing, very little hands-on. Not to even mention the class sizes. So I had this great idea that I could do this myself and focus on what many dentists were giving me feedback on, to take the books away, turn it into a hands-on training, let the students make their mistakes in class, and get them certified. And so 16 years ago, Altrain opened its doors. First program was dental assisting. We opened the doors with the focus on small class sizes, getting our students certified, 90% hands-on training, and the only book teaching was to get certified. And we, throughout the years, have had great feedback from not only dentists, office managers, dental assistants, and even dental hygienists that are out in the field. Many will only hire our students. So that is what we would like to train you to do, is to come into our program. Let's train you on what a dental assistant does each and every day. We again have small class sizes, one-on-one instruction. Let's focus on hands-on training, making your mistakes here in school. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our program. And as I tell our students, I hope you enjoy your new career as much as I have.